By 2035, AI is expected to create $14 trillion in economic value. That's a massive opportunity, but where should your money go? AI innovation refers to the development of new AI technologies and their application in various industries. This is driving economic growth. The number of AI startups has grown by 60% in the last 5 years. Are they all worth investing in? Traditional tech companies are lagging compared to pure-play AI firms like Anthropic and Cerebras. Which should you choose? AI companies have a median return of 150% in the past year. That's a pretty good bet. From 2015 to today, the value of AI investments has grown exponentially. Are you in? High-growth opportunities are areas where the market is rapidly expanding and new businesses can thrive. An investment strategy is a plan that guides your choices in the stock market. It should be tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Think of it like this. If you're building a house, traditional tech companies are the solid foundation, while startups are the cutting-edge materials. Think of AI as the engine that propels a car. Wherever the car goes, it's driven by this powerful force. Imagine a doctor looking at an X-ray. Now imagine that same image analyzed by AI in just seconds. That's the power of this technology. Traditional investments are like looking in a rearview mirror. AI-driven strategies are forward-looking, scanning the road ahead for opportunities. The idea that AI will replace jobs is a common myth. Instead, it's more likely to create new roles and enhance existing ones. Think of AI as a turbocharger for your investments. It enhances the performance and potential of existing technologies, driving growth and innovation. Experts predict that AI will generate $10.2 trillion in business value by 2035. What's your plan?